Hello everyone. Today, this video will introduce two kinds of how to change the size of the Kigreal T-bar sealing machine. Only the base width can be changed. The first way, change the roller. 1. Remove the bushing, arch and roller successively. 2. Install the roller that needs to be replaced onto the forming machine. Fix the screws on the other side of the arch and install the bushing. 4. Remove the upper roller and replace it with another size and fix it. 5. Carefully check whether the upper and lower rollers match each other, and then make detailed adjustments. 6. Place the coils and test the machine for adjustment. The process of changing the size using the roller is completed. The second way, replace roller groups with hanger. 1. Remove the chain. Loosen the fixing screws on the switching table. Use a hanger to transport it away from the platform. Carefully secure and install the chain. The process is completed by replacing roller groups of different sizes with hangers. These are 2 ways to change the size of T-bar sealing machine. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to subscribe Kigreal Universal Ind Limited.